Welcome to your Quick Start Guide to NoodleTools. NoodleTools is a resource provided by our district to help you create a list of resources you use in your research. Remember, we need to give credit for our sources to be responsible digital citizens. Our goal for the end of this video will be to know the steps to access NoodleTools and to set up a collaborative project. To access NoodleTools, start in your Google Drive. A common mistake I see with students is to go straight to their apps from the Google homepage. You'll see if I do that and scroll down, NoodleTools is not a choice in my apps. Instead, start in your Drive, then return to your apps and scroll down. NoodleTools is now an option at the bottom of the list. Once I've opened NoodleTools, I need to start in my Projects tab. Only one student in the group needs to create the project. We'll click the green plus sign and enter the name of the project. Leave it on MLA style and select the radial dial for junior. Hit submit. You'll need to turn on some public access first. So allow your entire project to be copied. Select done. Find your teacher's inbox. So click Share with Project Inbox and start typing. You'll notice a drop-down menu comes up and I find my class. Select Done to save and then add students to my group. Be very careful with your spelling and spell out the entire district email address. When I'm done, you'll see that I've correctly spelled my partner's name because it shows up in my list. If it's not there, I need to respell it. Members of your group should now see the project in their own project tab. Students that have never created a NoodleTools account will need to create one before they can be added to your group. You can always add a group member later. From here, you're going to use your NoodleTools project to gather your sources and include them in your research project. Please stop by the LRC if you have any questions.